essential browser extensions to boost productivity and simplify your online experience. In the fast-paced digital world, browser extensions can revolutionize the way you work, shop, and browse. These handy tools help you stay productive, block annoying ads, save money, and organize your tabs effortlessly. Below is a curated list of top browser extensions, their functionalities, and where to get them. Boost productivity. 1. Grammarly, real-time grammar and spelling of your writing. To elevate your writing, download Grammarly.com/. LastPass. Securely stores and autofills your passwords for seamless login management. Download LastPass.com. 3. Loom. Record and share screen or webcam videos instantly for effective communication. Download Loom.loom.com. 4. Notion Web Clipper. Save web content directly to your Notion workspace for quick access. Download Notion Web Clipper, notion.so/webclipper. Block annoying ads. 1. uBlock Origin. Blocks ads and trackers, ensuring faster and more private browsing. Download uBlock.origin.com. 2. AdBlock. Stops intrusive ads and pop-ups for a smoother browsing experience. Download getadblock.com/. Save time and money. 1. Honey. Automatically applies coupon codes to help you save while shopping online. Download honey.com. 2. Stay focused. Limits time spent on distracting websites to maximize productivity. Download chrome.google.webstore details stay focused d/lanky jkbhgm me pfmgcn delabs organized. 1. Toby. Organize your tabs into collections for a clean workspace. Download Toby, gettoby.com. 2. Session Buddy. Restore and organize tabs after accidental closures or crashes. Download sessionbuddy.com. 3. OneTab. Convert all open tabs into a single list to save memory and declutter. OneTab.com. Additional handy tools. 1. Dark Reader. Applies dark mode to all websites, reducing eye strain during extended browsing. Slackdarkreader.org. 2. Google Translate. Instantly translates web pages and text into over 100 languages. Download Google Translate, translate.google.com/about in alls toolbar. 3. Click and Clean. Quickly clears browsing history, cookies, and cache to maintain privacy. Download Click and Clean, hotcleaner.com. 4. Momentum. Additional handy tools. 1. Dark Reader. Applies dark mode to all websites, reducing eye strain during extended browsing. Slackdarkreader.org. 2. Google Translate. Instantly translates web pages and text into over 100 languages. Download Google Translate, translate.google.com/about in alls toolbar. 3. Click and Clean. Quickly clears browsing history, cookies, and cache to maintain privacy. Download Click and Clean, hotcleaner.com. 4. Momentum. Transforms your new tab into a productivity dashboard with to-do lists and motivational quotes. Download Momentum, momentum-.com/. 5. Print-friendly and PDF. Optimize web pages for distraction-free printing or saving as PDFs. Download Print-Friendly, www.printfriendly.com/. Conclusion. Incorporating these extensions into your browser can enhance productivity, improve privacy, and streamline your online activities. Download